Discover Sigmadaf semi-automatic filter press, fully engineered and manufactured in-house to ensure maximum durability, reliability, and ease of operation. This model features automatic feeding as well as automatic opening and closing. Plate movement, however, is manual, offering an optimal balance between precision and simple maintenance. Designed to operate at feed pressures of up to 16 bar, it is particularly well suited for filtration processes that require careful monitoring of the discharge and consistent control of the filtered product. All components in contact with the liquid are stainless steel lined, providing long-term durability and excellent corrosion resistance. The dryness level of the filter cakes and the percentage of water recovered depend on operating conditions, reaching up to 90% depending on the characteristics of the product being filtered. Sigmadaf offers a comprehensive range of manual, semi-automatic, and fully automatic filter presses, adaptable to the specific needs of every industry.